Welcome to Part 8 of 500 Most Common English Words for Adults, words 176 to 200. Even more powerful daily words with clear pronunciation and real examples. Repeat after me. Let's finish strong. Word 16. Take. Take. Great. Take. Word 177. Repeat. Into. Example. Get into the habit. Word 178. Year. Pronounced jur. Repeat. Period of 12 months. Word 179. Your. Pronounced jor. Example. Your turn now. Word 180. Good. Pronounced good. Good morning, team. Word 181. Some net. Example. Some good advice. Word 182. Get. Repeat. Verb get. Get the message. Word 183. Back. Dock. Exit back. Back. Word 184. Many. Example. Many thanks. Word 185. No. No. Example. Now you know. Word 186. Do. May doed. Example. Do it now. Word 188. Him. Him. Give him time. Word 188. Repeat. They. Example. They succeed. Word 189. New. Pronunciative states. New. New beginning. Word 190. Very. Adverb for degree. Very helpful. Word 11. Through. 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 Word 192. Much. Much. Adverb for quantitated. Word 193. Just. Just. Or only. Just do it. Word 194. Also. Pronounced also. Against written. Word 195. Give. Pronounced give. Give your opinion. Word 196. Our. Possessive plural. Example. Common goal. Word 197. Under. Pronounced under. Example. Word 198. Name. Noun for label. Example. Your name, please. Word 199. Day. Great. Good day, everyone. Word 200. Repeat. Most. Example. Most common mistake. Outstanding! You've mastered words 176 to 200. 200 words total. Subscribe for part 9 tomorrow and reach even higher.